Hi, this is my project. This project is about the casino game where I have used random functions to generate random numbers by the computer. The player will have to guess the number, and in this project, there is individual prizes allocated for the desired packages. So there is few instructions in this project. Oh, in this project, I also have used the decorators, which is defined as create function here. Now, here is the instructions for my project for this game. And if I run this project, there's two options available. Press Y to continue the game. Press N or any character to quit the game. If I press Y, now this game will give some instruction first before playing the game. The player will have to read all those instructions very carefully because if like once the player entered into the game, there is no going back. So which will result in losing the money. So there is three options available. For option two, player can make two guess and win 20 million, which will cost the player 200 euro. And there is also option available for three gas and five gas, which will allow the user to win respectively to 20,000 euro by costing 300 and 2,000 euro costing 300 euro 399 euro. Now if I select number three, it will prompt to uh, confirm the game by pressing Y again. If I press Y, it will allow me to make three guesses between 1 to 15 obviously. So if I select randomly number 5, now the sorry guess again because the whatever I guessed it's too low, which from the actual number, so I have to guess high this time. If I guess 8, now it's too high, so the real number must be between 5 to 8. So if I select number 6, oh, so yeah, oh yeah, I have won the game. Congrats, you have made it. As I selected number 3, which equate the price of 20,000 euros. So I have won 20,000 euro. Now if I start the game again, now this time if I select the Y, and so as always, the instructions are there. If I select number 2, which will allow me to play two guess. Now to confirm Y again. Now I can guess only between 1 to 10 and only can make two guess. So if I guess number 6, it's too high, so the real number must be between 1 to 6 this time. So if I press 4, oh sorry dude, guess again is too high, but as I have selected number option 2, so I could only make two guess. So this is now if I restart the game again, to continue the game I have to press Y. Now, if I select option 5, which will give me 5 guesses, and I could win 2,000 euro, which costing me 399. Now, to confirm why, now I have to guess between 1 to 25. So if I guess 10, it's too high. So the real number like must be less than 20. So if I guess 7 this time, it's too low. So it could be between 7 to 10. If I guess 8, now it's too low again. If I guess 9, no. So this is the right number. So 9 is the right number. Congrats, you have made it. You have won 2,000 euro. Good luck to you. So that's my project. Thank you.